Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change nickname on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Now from this section, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left corner and scroll and tap on this option of settings and privacy, and then tap on settings again. And what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead, tap on this option of account center. Here you will find this kind of options. From this section you have to go ahead, tap on profiles. Now you're going to select your Facebook account, then you're going to go ahead, go to the name. At the bottom you will see the other names. Tap on manage other name. And now you're going to go ahead, name type nickname, and you're going to add in what's your nickname. So you're going to go ahead, add in a new nickname for you. Once you have added the nickname, you can tap on the save icon, which is in the blue right over here in the left corner beside cancel. Tap on it and you're good to go. Your nickname will be changed, and that's how you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.